Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial showing you guys how to enter in your embedded link. This is an upgradable feature that you can always reach out to us for to upgrade into your website. The standard way that comes free is having your clients link out to any of these third-party booking systems. The two most popular ones that we have already kind of custom built to work with our theme is Acuity Scheduling or StyleSeat. So if you want a seamless install, you need to either get Acuity or StyleSeat for us to embed that into your site. But if you want to use something else like Booksy or any of those other third-party booking systems, it's possible we would be able to make this work also with your theme. It just may be a little bit more of an additional charge just to custom build it for your own special need case basis. So for right now, we're going to be talking about Acuity and StyleSeat. So the easiest thing to do is, of course, like what you see on most websites, is just having like the external URL that you can just drag and drop on a website, and then customers will click it and then it'll be rerouted to their website. So that works easy. You don't need to pay anything additional for that. That's just dropping a URL link into the website. What we're talking about today is embedding an iframe directly into your website. It sounds like something super intricate, but it's not on your end because we're going to already make the theme have that capability. We're just showing you this video on how to connect it, right? So let's get right into it. So first thing first, I'm in the back office of my theme. And if your system says 10.0 or higher, then this video tutorial is for you. All right, so we have to first create a page. We have to click pages. We have to add a page. And you have to name this page whatever is applicable to your booking system. So I can name it like Book Me. I can name it Booking. I can name it Book Us, Booking Us. I'm just going to go with Book Me. And then page template suffix, I click here. I have to click page.iframe. If you don't do this step first, then what I'm about to show you next won't work properly. So what I like to do is after I create the page, I also like to add it to my navigation. So this link will also show on my slide out menu. So I'm clicking where it says add to navigation, right? And I can go right to navigation, or I could have clicked navigation right here. But I'm going to click main menu, add a menu item. I like to search link, and I look for pages because I just created a page. So I'm going to look for pages. And the page that I just created is right there, guys. So if I didn't create the page, then this wouldn't be here. So I click Book Me. Sometimes it takes a little second for the system to register. So if it doesn't show it immediately after you save it, give it like 30 seconds. Click Save, right? So this setting or this step isn't mandatory. I just like to personally do this part also so I can have it in my slide out menu. Now I'm going to go back to the actual theme online store. Now when I click customize, all right, so now I want to go to the section that I've already kind of preset. So I've already created a parallax section here, and it says need a new hair, new you, come get slayed by Christina today. So I know parallax, I can see the image, and I know that means that this is the parallax. The trending collections are here. I can see trending collections. I see two blocks of text, image and video, image and video. So I'm going to go back to parallax. Parallax. All right, so I'm going to go back to parallax. So parallax here, click button. All right, so typically this wouldn't have anything connected. So I'm just going to hit the X. It will look default like this. Now remember, if I just put the link here of my StyleSeat, if I was just to put the link here, when they click it, it would take them off of your website and go to the other website. I don't want it to do that. I want to click where it says pages. And now I want to attach Book Me, right? So now that I've attached that, it's going to be a new setting that pops up. So if I click save that there, all right, now I'm back on my home page. Now I can click home page. I can click the setting that says page that says book me because I've created that page. So now I click book me. All right. All right. So right now it's reading the full style seat website. Okay. Because I've already saved her style seat here. So typically I just start from scratch. So now there's nothing there, but I have the customer style seat. So I just grab their style seat right here, copy it. And it's nothing until you put it there. You paste it. You'll actually paste this. This is step 2. You'll paste the style seat link. And then now style seat is there. So now it's embedded directly on her website. All right. So again, you won't see this setting here until you actually click up here and click on pages to book me. Then you can click where it says embedded booking and you can drop the link, but you have to create the page first. All right. That's the end of this video.